In the last class, please remember 5 things they are there. For any two complex numbers, Z1 comma Z2, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Next, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of mod Z1 minus mod Z2. Next, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2 if and only if R is in Z1, Z2 are collinear and Z1 comma Z2 lies on same side of origin. Next, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2 if and only if, then also R is in Z1, Z2 are collinear with R is in, but opposite side of R is in. And last one, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 if and only if the line segment joining Z1 comma Z2 subtends origin at subtends 90 degrees at origin. Z1, Z2, the line segment joining Z1 comma Z2 subtends 90 degrees at origin if and only if. So by using these 5 we can solve the problems related to these two geometrically position of Z1 plus Z2 and Z1 minus Z2. Next, geometrically position of Z1 into Z2. Similarly, Z1 by Z2 means product of two complex numbers and division of two complex numbers. Just listen, there are no problems related to the coming two geometrically Z1 into Z2 and Z1 by Z2. See, geometrically product of the two complex numbers Z1 comma Z2. First, suppose Z1 polar form of Z1 equal to R1 into cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Z2 equal to R2 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Now from these two, Z1 into Z2 equal to R1 into R2. So all of them, so this is 6 theta 1. This is 6 theta 2. So all of you know 6 alpha into 6 beta is 6 of alpha plus theta. So 6 theta 1 into 6 theta 2 is 6 of theta 1 plus theta 2. That is theta 1 plus cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. What is the meaning of polar of the complex number? This is R1 is distance from origin to Z1. Theta 1 is argument of Z1. R2 is see, polar form of the complex number R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Formula for R is mod Z. Ante distance. The distance emotundante R avutundi. Okay. Theta nemo e angle avutundi. Theta is inclination of that one. That's so R2 is distance from origin to Z2. Theta is argument of Z2. R1 into R2 is distance from origin to the complex number Z1 into Z2. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is argument of the complex number Z1 into Z2. Okay. So from these three we can locate the position of Z1 into Z2 from the positions of Z1 comma Z2. Suppose this is Z1, this is Z2. Okay. From this R1 is distance from R2 is distance from origin to Z2. Theta 1 is inclination of this one. Theta 2 is inclination of this one. Now this one. So there's from this one and this one, Z1 into Z2 is located at a distance of R1 into R2 from origin. ఈ ప్లేస్ లో లొకేట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే సపోజ్ ఈ వాల్యూ 2 అనుకోండి, ఈ వాల్యూ 3 అనుకోండి, ఇది 6 డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? అలాగే ఈ యాంగిల్ θ1, ఈ యాంగిల్ θ2, ఈ యాంగిల్ θ1 ప్లస్ θ2 అవుతుంది. అంటే సపోజ్ ఈ యాంగిల్ 10 డిగ్రీస్, ఈ యాంగిల్ 20 డిగ్రీస్, ఇది 30 డిగ్రీస్ లో 30 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్ వచ్చినట్టు లొకేట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ position of Z, geometrically position of Z1 into Z2 from the complex number Z1, Z2. Similarly, we can locate Z1 by Z2. From these two, Z1 by Z2 is R1 by R2 into cis alpha by cis beta, formula cis of alpha minus beta. Therefore, cos of θ1 minus θ2 plus I into sin of θ1 minus θ2. Okay, see, suppose this is Z1, this is Z2. ఇక్కడ Z1 by Z2 వస్తుంది. అంతే కదా, ఇది 10 అనుకోండి, ఇది 5 అనుకోండి. 10 by 5 అంటే 2 డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. అలా దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ R1 by R2. ఓకే, this angle is θ1 minus θ2. But no, there is no problem related to these two position of Z1 into Z2 and Z1 by Z2. Just sum of the complex numbers, product of difference of the complex numbers చెప్పాను కాబట్టి ఇది చెప్పాను. దీని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, so this is about geometrically Z1 plus Z2, Z1 minus Z2, Z1 into Z2, Z1 by Z2. One standard result, that is maximum minimum values of mod Z if modulus of Z plus or minus C by Z equal to A, or minimum value, maximum value is required. మీ ఇష్టం, మీకు బై హార్ట్ చేస్తే ఫాస్ట్ వస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, లేకపోతే అట్లీస్ట్ వర్కింగ్. C is any real number, positive or negative. A is positive real number. ఇచ్చేసి if Z plus or minus some real number Z equal to some positive real number, what is minimum value of mod Z, what is maximum value of mod Z. ఇలా ఉంది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, I am finding minimum maximum values of mod Z. Mod Z, start from mod Z. Please remember the working rule also. Given that the value of the cases, suppose first I am taking first case. To use that one, Z plus C by Z plus minus C by Z. Z can be expressed as Z plus C by Z plus minus C by Z. Add and subtract. These two are equal, clearly. ఎందుకు ఇలా రాసామంటే ఇది యూజ్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం. First I am taking first case. Now this is in the form of modulus of Z1 plus Z2. Formula. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. This is Z1, this is Z2. So from that one, this is less than or equal to modulus of this one plus modulus of second one. Okay, and this can replace with to A. Modulus of minus C is plus C by mod Z. This is So by simplifying, get quadratic inequation in the variable z. So mod z square minus a mod z minus c less than or equal to 0. Quadratic inequation. So mod z equal to, by using formula minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus mod z minimum value is c. If we have x minus 1 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0, x belongs to closed interval of 1 comma 2, 1 is minimum value, 2 is maximum value. Similarly, so in the place of 1 and 2 there are a plus or minus. So maximum value is a plus root of a square plus 4c. Minimum value is a minus root of a, not minus case. So because a minus root of a square plus 4c is always negative. See, a square. A minus root of a square plus 4c is always negative because root of a square is always positive. A minus of plus some positive value. So clearly negative. Therefore, but mod z is always positive. That's why I am taking root of a square plus 4c minus a by 2. So this is minimum value. This is maximum value. Now by heart this. So minimum maximum values of mod z when modulus of z plus c by z equal to a are root of a square plus 4c plus or minus a by 2. Minimum value minus case, maximum value plus case when c is positive. Okay. By suggestion, by heart చేయమని పర్లేదు, but remember the working, follow the working rule. Add and subtract by using that one. Immediately get quadratic inequation the variable z by factors, get two values of mod z. Of them, one is minimum value, other one is maximum value. Please remember, mod z is always positive. మీకు ఒకవేళ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చినా కూడా పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి, మినిమం వాల్యూ మాడ్యులస్ తీసుకుంటారు సరిపోతుంది. Now problems related to the above concepts means from the concept geometrically position of z1 plus z2, z1 minus z2, z1 into z2, z1 by z2 and this standard result. Example 1. If modulus of z minus 4 by z equal to 2, then maximum value of 4 mod z. By using formula or working rule. Okay, formula mean by heart cheste formula. Working rule required is mod z given this value. So by using, we have to find this maximum value by using this one. By using this one. Therefore, z can be expressed as z minus 4 by z plus 4 by z. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2. That is less than or equal to modulus of first one plus modulus of second one. Clearly given that modulus of first one is 2 plus 4 by modulus of second one. By simplifying, get quadratic in the variable, quadratic inequation in the variable mod z. So no rational factors. So minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So this is maximum value. Okay. Or by using formula. Next, see second one. Minimum value of mod z plus modulus of z minus 1. modulus of z minus 2 plus modulus of z minus 3 plus modulus of z minus 4 plus modulus of z minus 5 and so on. So all of you know this one in the first year functions graph of modulus of x minus a v shape at a, graph of modulus of x minus a plus modulus of x minus b, graph has sharp turnings at a comma b. So for this, that one has minimum value at a, that minimum value is f of a, maximum value not defined up to infinity. Same. From this, f of x has minimum value at a or at b or between any value between a and b. That's so minimum value of that function is f of a or f of b or f of any value between a and b. Similarly, modulus of x minus a plus modulus of x minus b plus modulus of x minus c graph. So that one has sharp turnings at a, b and c. So this one has a minimum value at b only and so on. So from this this type of function has minimum value and two middle value. If there are two middle values, that one has minimum value at first value or second value or any value between those two numbers. Okay. So clearly graph of this one at 0, 1 f of z. Therefore, this one has minimum value at 0 or at 1 or at any value between 0 and 1. So, find f of 0 or f of 1. Clearly, put z equal to 0, 1. Put z equal to 1, 1. Both are equal to 1. So, thus minimum value 1. What about maximum value? Not defined. So, in case the maximum value available, because not defined tends to infinity. Same. Minimum value of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of terms 5. Middle term is 3. So this one has minimum value at 3. So minimum value is f of 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 4, 1. Modulus. 3 minus 5. That's 6 answer. Okay. In graph around the out of 5 turnings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, fourth one. If modulus of z plus 2 minus I equal to 5, then maximum value of modulus of 3z plus 9 minus 7. So very important model. Given that modulus of z plus 2 minus I equal to 5, required maximum value of this one. Find maximum value, find minimum value, sums on the two formulas. Find maximum value annappudu ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2 యూజ్ చేయాలి. Because ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తే by using that one we can find the value of mod z1 plus mod z2 less than or equal to ఈ వాల్యూ మొత్తం 10 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. So this is less than or equal to 10 means that's value 10 or less than 10 means maximum value is 10 కదా. Find minimum value. find minimum value అంటే ఈ ఫామ్ లో యూజ్ చేయాలి. Modulus of z1 minus z2 is greater than or equal to mod z1 minus mod z2. So we have to use this one for finding minimum value. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దీని మీద స్కిల్ వచ్చేస్తుంది మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా. See, by using this given one we have to find maximum value of this one అంటే 3z required contain 3z but given contain only z. 3 into first write that one z plus 2 minus 7. Now balance 3z to 3z okay. 3 into 2 6 therefore minus 6 minus 3i therefore plus 3i. Already there is plus 9 and minus 7i. Okay, equal to 3 into z plus 2 minus I minus 6 plus 9 3i minus 7i minus 4i. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2. This is z1, this is z2. Formula less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Now complete it, which is equal to 3 into modulus of this one is given, that is 5 plus modulus of 3 minus 4i root of a square plus b square 25. Root 25 means 5. So 15 plus 5 20 answer. So required is less than or equal to 20 means a maximum value of that one is 20. Next is similar problem, fifth one. See, if modulus of z plus 4 less than or equal to 3, then maximum value of modulus of z plus 1. So by using this first write that one z plus 4. But there is 1, so plus minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 plus 1. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Modulus of this one is less than or equal to 3. Modulus of minus 3 is 3, so 6. Therefore maximum value 6. Next, minimum value of modulus of z minus 1 plus 2i plus 4i minus 3 minus 2. Same formula. Modulus of z, this is in the form of mod z1 plus mod z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of z1 plus z2. I am using this formula. This is z1, this is z2. So from this formula, modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of sum of these two. So z minus z cancel, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4i, 4i plus 2i, 6i. So modulus of a plus id formula root of 4 a square plus b square. So root 52 minimum value. And greater than or equal. Required is greater than or equal to that means that is minimum value, not maximum value. Next, seventh one. If mod z1 equal to 4 and mod z2 equal to 15, then difference between the greatest and least values of modulus of z1 plus z2. ఇందా చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు మినిమం వాల్యూ మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ కావాలంటేనేమో ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? మినిమం వాల్యూ కావాలంటే మధ్యలో మైనస్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి. మైనస్ క్రియేట్ అంటే ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి. modulus of z1 minus z2 formula greater than or equal to modulus of first one minus modulus of second one. Okay, so clear, equal to 4 plus 50 and 90. So this is less than or equal to 90 means so 90 is the maximum value. Clear? 4 minus 50 11 and 11. So this is greater than or equal to 11 means so minimum value 11. So maximum value, minimum value. Difference 19 minus 11. 8 answer. Next, 8th one. If modulus of z plus 2y less than or equal to 1 and z1 equal to 6 minus 3i, then maximum value of modulus of iz plus z1 minus 4. Okay now? So we have to find maximum value of this one by using this one. By using this one and so required content iz, but given content only z. Therefore first I into write that one. I use చేసుకోవాలి కదా. First రాసేస్తే iz. Okay, I into 2i value 2i square means minus 2. So we have to add plus 2. There is already z1 means 6 minus 3i and minus 4 equal to modulus of I into z plus 2i remaining 2 plus 6 8 minus 4 4 minus 3i. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2, that is less than or equal to modulus of first one plus modulus of second one. Given that modulus of this one is less than or equal to 1 plus modulus of this one 5. Again mod I value 1. 1 plus 5 6 answer. Mod I, okay, I means 0 plus 1 into I. Root of a square plus b square. Root of 0 square plus 1 square and 1. So maximum value 6. Last important advanced related problem, but easy. If z1 z2 a of z1 b of z2 c of z3 are vertices of triangle ABC such that mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to mod z3 and modulus of z1 plus z2 equal to modulus of z1 minus z2, then angle C equal to, okay, no written work, direct option pick పెట్టుకోవచ్చు మీకు ఇలా ఏదైనా జామెట్రికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ గుర్తుంటే. First these three are vertices of triangle ABC. Mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to mod z3 means modulus of z1 minus o equal to modulus of z2 minus o equal to modulus of z3 minus o. And the distance between z1 and origin is the same as distance from origin to z2 is the same as distance from origin to z3. Distances from vertices to one common point to same means that common point is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Okay, SA equal to SB equal to SC. So circumcenter of this one equal indirect circumcenter of that one is origin and intersection. Okay na? The Guttulai modulus of Z1 plus Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 when Z1 the line segment joining Z1 comma Z2 subtends right angle at origin. This angle is 90. So all of you know this angle is 90. Oh sorry, Z1 and Z2. Okay, this is C, Z2. This is A, Z1. So this angle is 90 means this is half of this angle. Indra half angle ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ స్కూల్ లో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సో required angle is 45 degrees or 5/4 radians. These are problems related to the concept geometrical position of Z1 plus Z2, Z1 minus Z2. No problem related to Z1 into Z2, Z1 by Z2. See, next concept, square root of the complex number. Means complex number whole power 1 by 2. Square root of complex number. Suppose complex number is a plus ib, required is square root of the complex number. So I am finding formula for square root of the complex number. Let root of required complex number a plus ib equal to x plus ib. Squaring on both sides. X plus iy whole square. X square plus iy whole square. I square y square. I square value minus 1 plus 2i xy. By equating real and imaginary parts, x square minus y square equal to a, imaginary part 2xy equal to b, squaring on both sides, 4x square y square equal to b square. From these two we can find x square plus y square. Formula a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. X square plus y square whole square equal to, send to right side, x square minus y square whole square is a square plus 4x square y square is b square. Now x square plus y square equal to plus or minus root, square of value is always positive, only plus case, a square plus b square. We have x square plus y square and also x square minus y square. By adding these two, get the value of 2x square, from that we can write x square. So by adding those two equations, 2x square equal to root of a square plus b square plus a. Therefore x square equal to by 2. Therefore x equal to plus or minus root of, if z is a complex number, suppose a plus ib z అయితే root of a square plus b square is mod z, okay, plus a by 2. Similarly by subtract plus or minus root of mod z minus a by 2. Therefore that's formula for complex number. Formula for complex number a plus ib, that means z formula plus or minus real part is root of mod z plus a by 2 plus I into imaginary part is mod z minus I by 2, where mod z is again root of a square plus b square. I got this one. Suppose there is a minus sign between these two. Suppose here minus unnakondi, appudu ikkada minus vastundi. Okay na, plus implies plus, minus implies minus. This one is common, plus or minus common. Now by heart this one, square root of the complex number. So some direct, what is the square root of the some complex number, plus case or minus case. By heart this one. Now see problems related to this formula. Find the square root of 5 plus 12. Square root of the complex number root of 5 plus 12. So easy. See, plus or minus formula. Root of mod z, modulus of the complex number root of 25 plus 144 root 169 means 30 plus a means 5 by 2 plus implies plus I into root of 30 minus 5 by 2 equal to plus or minus 18 by 2 root 9 means 3. 13 minus 8 by 2 4 means 2y. So plus or minus of 3 plus 2y. Okay. See next square root of 7 minus 24y. Same formula, plus or minus root of modulus of the complex number 25 plus 576 625 means 25 plus a by 2 minus మధ్యలో మైనస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి, ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఫ్రంట్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ కామన్, ఇది ఫర్ ఎనీ కేస్ సేమ్ 25 minus 7 equal to plus or minus, right? 32 by 2 60 means 4, 18 by 2 9 means 3. So plus or minus of 4 minus 3. So this is about square root of the complex number. Tomorrow we will discuss some more concepts. చెప్తున్నాను మీకు ఇది కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ కొంచెం థియరీ ఎక్కువ, మీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఫాలో అవ్వాలంటే క్యుములేటివ్ గా ఫార్ములాస్ రిజల్ట్స్ అవి బై హార్ట్ చేస్తా ఉండాలి. అవి బై హార్ట్ చేసి నోట్స్ కంప్లీట్ గా బై హార్ట్ చేసి ఫార్ములాస్ రాసి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాతే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి. అదర్వైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు సాల్వ్ చేయడం డిఫికల్ట్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది. థియరీ ఎక్కువ మీకు ఇది లెసన్. సో మీకు కంఫర్ట్ గా ఉండాలంటే మిగతా లెసన్స్ లాగా మీకు ఎక్కువ వర్క్ చేయాలి. క్యుములేటివ్ గా ఫార్ములాస్ అవి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతా ఉండాలి.